Another Ebola patient is clear of the virus and heading home. Amber Vinson, a Dallas nurse infected after treating a sick Liberian man who later died, thanked her caregivers at Emory University Hospital in Atlanta Tuesday before leaving the hospital.
As a nurse, and now as someone who has experienced what it's like to be cared for through a life-threatening illness, I am so appreciative and grateful for your exceptional skill, warmth, and care.
Vinson had fueled Ebola fears by flying to Cleveland after being infected. Dozens of people are still being monitored who may have had contact with her during her trip. President Barack Obama spoke with Vinson shortly after her release. Before leaving the White House, he praised caregivers and said the country needs to support healthcare workers who are returning from the front lines in Africa.
We've got to make sure that we continue to provide the support of health workers who are going overseas to deal with the disease where it really has been raging.
The president did not directly criticize the quarantine policies in New York and New Jersey for returning healthcare workers, but said the monitoring needs to be based in science. Meantime, the Pentagon is weighing stricter procedures for troops returning from West Africa involved in the international Ebola response.
The Joint Chiefs have made a recommendation to Secretary Hagel that he consider a regimented program of 21 days of controlled, supervised monitoring for all troops returning from Ebola response efforts in West Africa. The Secretary is in possession of that recommendation. He has made no decision yet.
On Monday, the Centers for Disease Control and Prevention recommended that people at the highest risk for coming down with Ebola avoid commercial travel or attending large public gatherings, even if they have no symptoms. Emily Roseman, The Associated Press.